Although the U.S. Department of Energy reported a drawdown in both crude oil and gasoline stockpiles, the news had no severe impact on the market as investors were ready for such developments. Given that market situation has not changed dramatically, with the oil prices still trading in a relatively wide range between the levels of 78 and 72, the most likely scenario for the near future suggests a gradual decline to its lower boundary at $72 per barrel. According to the trading chart, Brent crude oil futures have come close to the upper boundary of the sideways channel, which signals a possible decrease in the volume of long positions. The area of 77 and 78 may act as resistance and thus bringing the quote back down. It took gold only 2 days to slide to $1,910 from $1,930 per troy ounce. However, it's too early to say that the asset will easily outcome the $1,900 mark. Investors will obviously wait for the report from the U.S. Labor Department. If statistics prove better than forecasts, the precious metal will probably make another attempt to go below this psychological level. However, it's likely to be unsuccessful again, given that strong labor market conditions limit the ability of the Fed to raise interest rates. Gold prices may well rise above $1,900 per troy ounce shortly. Meanwhile, the ruble returned to the 90 mark versus the dollar with no support from the Bank of Russia, and this can be attributed to an emotional market reaction and to some extent worries triggered by a steep drop in the ruble, which were also emotional in nature. Now the dollar-ruble pair is likely to stabilize at the current levels in anticipation of the Bank of Russia's report on the national accounts. The focus will be on the data on the balance of payments. However, this report will be released in late July, so the market may spend the next couple of weeks drifting in a sideways range. And that's all for now. We continue to follow developments in the financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow the news with us. And see you soon.